And same happened in our part of the world, I mean between Pakistan and India, on Kashmir. Same thing happened over there. In the same year in 1947, a resolution was passed in Security Council that the fate of Kashmir would be decided by plebiscite. This right to decide what would be their future would be given to the Kashmiri nation, and they would be unable to decide their fate, whether they want to live independently, or they want to go with India, or they want to go with Pakistan. So let them choose their future through plebiscite, through an independent right of vote. This resolution was passed again by the Security Council. Unfortunate, more than half a century has passed, nor this resolution has been implemented and executed. Just simple reason that there are two partners or two neighbors, India and Pakistan. And Pakistan is a smaller country, cannot provide a very big economic market to the big countries. And India is a very big economic market. The major interests are related to India, not to Pakistan. And interests are related to India, not to Kashmir. Just to satisfy with their interests and their satisfaction, the Kashmiri people, they have given 70,000 lives of 70,000 persons, but they are till today unable to get their own independence. So if the global community of nations, the UNO, the Security Council, the influential and powerful nations, they are unable to provide them their lawful right and globally recognized right, they will not provide them this thing, then we can't expect that some youngster who are jobless, who has become, you can say, moralless, who have become defiant, who have become disobedient of their parents, who are frustrated because of many social reasons, many psychological reasons, maybe many political reasons, maybe their own criminal reasons. One way or the other, they have, from out of frustration, they have become criminals. When they will come out, they will just fight right or wrong on the name of that issue. So we have to address those issues and to try to create an atmosphere of honesty, an atmosphere of balance, attitude, an atmosphere of justice. This is, I think, the only way to eliminate the terrorism from our society.
इस्लाम की निस्बत से ही, इस्लाम के ताल्लुक से ही, इस्लाम की मोहब्बत से ही हम पाकिस्तानी हैं।